Even the passion that I saw with teachers everywhere. There were issues, teachers and so on, people would raise issues, but by the end of the day, you could see the passion that, yes, we are the teachers, we are important, etc., etc. So, Your Excellency, before I hand over the report, if you can just allow that we spend about 5 minutes going through, it is okay? Yeah, I've got permission now. So, oh, so we don't? Okay. You know, one of the things that we have learned with education is that learning never stops. So we keep on learning as we move on. So this is a clip, and apparently it has been seen before, so we don't need to spend a lot of time on it. Let me tell you one or two things which are very unique with our report. The report, Your Excellency, also includes an implementation matrix, and it has time frames. And that to us is extremely important. And we are giving the time frames in which these need to be implemented, these recommendations. It is very important. Your Excellency, just 2 or 3 prayers that we have, really to enable these recommendations to move forward. Some of them have already been implemented. I think it is very important to have an advisory committee, a Ministry of Education reform, implementation, education reform, implementation, advisory committee. And that committee should monitor and evaluate how the recommendations are being implemented and make appropriate recommendations on the way forward. That is extremely important. That is one prayer. The other prayer, Your Excellency, has to do with when one is carrying out, especially the recommendations on amending laws, changing laws, developing other laws, and so on. I tell you, it is extremely important to be all-inclusive. And Parliament is so critical. My brother, it is so important that some of the recommendations that we are making with regard to laws, changes, modification, and so on and so forth, really, Parliament will need to play a very major role. And that one is something that we cannot ignore. It's extremely important.